Scientists unite to resolve a Vengi in this
Math
fight
scientist.
together.
Hello guys, today we're going to have our second tutorial on Arduino. Now, last time we did a blinking LED tutorial where the LED was blinking every 1 second. Today we're going to continue on from the hardware there. We're going to introduce a switch. Basically, the switch is going to determine when this LED is on. If I turn it on, the LED should turn on. If I turn it off, the LED should turn off. So let's write the code for that. So I'm going to define in our setup, we're going to say pin mode. Now, pin number 2, the LED, so we're going to say 2. And we're going to say out. We want 2 to be out. Then pin mode 3 to be an input. Now, 3 is the one the switch is connected. So, the output sends out a signal, input takes in. When the switch is turned on, we want the to recognize that the switch has been turned on. So, we're going to write an statement here. We're going to say if digital did pin number 3 equal to high, then we want it to make the LED turn on to high. So what did I just do here? So this if statement is testing whether the pin is connected, whether digital pin 3 has a signal coming to. Okay, if it does, then it will be high, then this code will run. Then if it's not high, this code will be run. So write to. So this code will run, it is not high. So basically if it is high, right, it will set the LED to high. If it is low, set the LED to low. Okay, let's put that. Okay, now we're gonna run it here. Okay, so as you can see, if I turn on the switch, it turns on, but something happens here. If I turn it off, for some reason it's not going back off. Now this is a situation that occurs because of certain phenomena in programming. We need to use something called a cool down resistor. What does this do? Makes sure that there is no excess voltage that we can have. If once we turn it on, in practical situations, the voltage doesn't really go to zero directly. It might stay a bit higher than zero because there is no reference that we've put in the for the circuit. So we're going to put something called a cool down resistor. Okay, we're going to take in just want a normal resistor. Okay, connecting it here. Then we're going to connect this to ground. So that in normal circumstances, when the switch is not on, it will be connected to ground. But in a situation where the connector is on, connected to 5 will be high. Okay, so what will happen once we do this? We turn it on, turns on, we turn it off, turns off. So that's basically the significance of the pull down resistor. It helps us make the circuit have a reference to for default value, what the default value is, and the default value should be ground reference. So as you can see, this is working as we planned. So there is an alternative way to do this, a shorter way. This is the most easiest to understand, I would say, but we can write all this logic in a different way by saying so write to, then say digital So read 3. Okay. So what is happening now? The difference with this one line is doing everything that was being done by the other the other code. What it's doing is saying Gucci the into set it to the value that pin 3, which is basically what we're doing in the last piece of code. So we can export this. We run this to do exactly the same thing. Okay, so turn it on, turns on, turn it off, turns off. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for